Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you're doing well. As you can see, I'm taking a walk in my neighborhood park. It's a wooded lot and it's very well maintained, as you can see. This is where I come whenever I'm feeling down, sad, depressed, you name it. I get so much peace walking through this place. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. Now you may hear some traffic, and that's because there is a road very close by, and this is peak time traffic. But anyway, I'm very lucky that I have this place in my neighborhood because it's just so beautiful. It really is. Another reason I like to come here is because I feel like I can be my authentic self whenever I'm in this place. At the studio, I feel like I have to put on some kind of act, not be myself at all. Part of the reason that happens is because I get very, very nervous. And of course, I'm saying all of this because I'm reminded of how genuine Wendy was, and I'm sure she's been on your mind as well. She's definitely been on my mind these last few days. It's been quite difficult, actually. And it's very difficult for me to express my feelings on camera. It truly is. And when you're mourning the loss of a friend, it becomes even more difficult. But anyway, guys, I'm out here trying to calm myself, trying to find some joy in life. It's very difficult right now, but I'm doing the best I can. I'm sure you are too. And like I've mentioned a couple of times in my messages, I think we should continue to support each other. So that's what I'm trying to do, be here for you and for myself as well, because I do get enjoyment out of this. And anyway, guys, today we're going to open up the Softflex Company Monthly Design Challenge Kit. And if you're not familiar with that kit, I'll leave some information down below in the description section of this video. I'll leave a link to the website as well in case you're interested. And keep in mind that this kit may be sold out by the time you see this video. So anyway, guys, I hope you're getting through this. Let's keep supporting each other and be here for each other as much as possible. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in this kit. And here we have the Softflex Company Monthly Design Challenge Kit. The Softflex Company Facebook page usually does a reveal near the end of each month. They unwrap the kit and make a project on camera. So if you're interested, I strongly recommend that you go to the Softflex VIB Studio Facebook group page and join that page. But anyway, a little bit about the Softflex Company. It's based out of Sonoma, California, and it's a family-run business. They specialize in flexible beading wire, but they also carry other things such as craft wire, findings, and tools. And of course, they carry an amazing selection of beautiful gemstones and glass beads as well. And the name of this kit is called Safari. So I'm anxious to see what's in it. Let's go ahead and open it up. As you can see, we have some gorgeous earth tones. Look at that, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Let me get organized and we'll go through each item. And here are the strands. Look at these beautiful earth tones. Aren't they gorgeous? And these colors are actually perfect for fall. Let's take a look at this strand here. These are called turbine beads, and they're check glass beads, and the color is butterscotch opal travertine. Wow, these are really beautiful, guys. Look at that. They have a faceted band along the center. How cool are these? These are so cool. I'm not sure of the size, but it looks like they might be 12 millimeters long by maybe 10 millimeters wide. But I love that gorgeous faceted band along the center. It's so beautiful. And it looks like we get about 14 beads in this strand. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at these 5 polished rounds. These are 7 millimeters in size, and the color is orange with AB finish. How beautiful are these? These are so beautiful and so sparkly. Look at that. I really love that color. It's kind of like a burnt orange color. Very pretty. And these are unusual as well. These are called black ship beads, and they measure 20 by 9 millimeters. And I guess they're calling them black ship because they're in the shape of a boat or a ship hull. They're definitely opaque and very glossy. Very nice. And there's a total of 6 there. And I love these too. These are so beautiful. These are pyramid shaped, as you can see, and they're actually 2-holed. Look at that. I love 2-hole beads because you can do so much with them. The color is white travertine, and these are check glass beads. What a gorgeous effect that is. Very nice. And there's a total of 12 beads there. And I think they measure about 12 millimeters. That's what it looks like. Let's take a look at these little ones. These are 3mm size beads. They're pretty tiny. Perfect for bead weaving if you're into that. The color is metallic green, and you can see why. They're definitely metallic. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. And these are also check glass beads. I'm going to be tempted to do some bead weaving with these beads. I'll have to think about it. So far, I'm really loving these beads, and I love the color palette. I know I'm going to have a good time designing with these colors. Let's take a look at some more beads. And here we have the Jesse James Beads Design Elements Bead Mix. The name of this collection is Safari, of course. It's named after this month's kit. As you can see, it has some beautiful earth tones as well. I'm anxious to get into this bag. Let me pull out the beads and I'll sort them and arrange them on my mat. And here are all the beads. As you can see, I've sorted them into groups. And I absolutely love this palette. It's so beautiful. I like the pop of red as well. But what I like about the Jesse James Beads bead mixes is that they always come in a variety of sizes. And most of the time they give you even numbers. For example, these 2 large bicones and these cube crystals. So that makes it possible to make earrings if that's what you want to do. But look at this bead, guys. Isn't this gorgeous? It looks like there's some shell embedded in this bead. I'm not sure if that's what I'm looking at, but that's what it looks like. It's absolutely stunning. Let me see how it's drilled. It's drilled through the middle, as you can see. What a beautiful bead this is. It's going to make a great focal. Let's take a look at these saucer beads over here. These are so cool. They look like they might be 10 millimeters across, maybe 8, I'm not sure, but I love this color. And the holes are pretty large too, so if you wanted to use leather cord on them, you could. And these are really nice as well. I love the color of these beads. They're kind of a mix between brown and black. They have like a swirly effect, I think. Very pretty. And there's a total of 8. And these red ones are really cute too. I love to use red in 4 pieces. It just adds a little pop of color, which is nice. And there's actually 5 of those. These are really pretty as well. These look like they're faceted barrel beads. They're in a kind of a creamy color or peachy color. The coating on these beads really make them sparkle a lot. And these bicones are super huge, but I like them. These would actually make great earrings. And as you can see, they're in an amber color. Very nice. These look like they have glitter on the surface. And they're in a gold color, as you can see, or a mustardy color. Very textured. Sometimes I like to add a little texture to my designs. And these are really nice because they're sparkly. And we have these tassels. Aren't these cute? There are 4 of them. These would be great for earrings, I think. Each one does have a little loop. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it does have a little loop at the top. And these are really pretty as well. They're kind of rondelle shaped. And they have a little bit of bronze plating on one side of the bead, and the other side of the bead is kind of clear. The color of the glass is almost very similar to this color. Kind of a dark gold color. Let's take a look at these cylinder beads. These look like they're ceramic beads. Once again, since there are 2, you could use them for earrings. I like these cubes. These are so pretty. Very sparkly, as you can see. And they have an AB effect. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? That is so beautiful. They're kind of a light peach color. These are hexagon-shaped beads, faceted, and they're sort of flat. And these are also kind of goldish in color. But what I like about these is the little facets. They're so beautiful. And here we have another set of cube beads in a darker color. It kind of reminds me of hematite a little bit. Very nice. And I love these bead caps. These are so big, but I love these. These might actually fit these beads. Let me see. They kind of do fit, but it covers a lot of the bead. So I might just use one bead cap instead of two. But it's nice that we get 4 of them. And let's take a look at these spacer beads. These are kind of brown in color, as you can see. And they look like little flowers that have 5 petals, but the petals have a bumpy texture. Very interesting. We get a total of 8. And let's take a look at these. Aren't these cool? These are so cool. They're kind of barrel shaped. These also have a bumpy surface, as you can see. Very nice. And let's take a look at these. Now it looks like 4 of these are round and the other 4 are cathedral shaped. That's what it looks like. The cathedral shaped beads have bronze plating on the top and bottom where the hole is. And these have like a gold plating effect on one side of the bead only. Aren't these pretty? They're so pretty. And I like that they're small. And it's amazing that we get so many beads in that little packet. Let me get some more items. These 2 bags are actually stapled together. We have some gorgeous charms in this bag. Look at that. I see elephants. I see a zebra. I see some giraffes. We'll take a look at that in a second. These are crimp tubes. The Softflex company sells very high quality crimp tubes, and these measure 2 by 2 millimeters. So if you ever have trouble with crimp tubes, I know a lot of people do. Sometimes I do too. Try using some of the Softflex company crimp tubes because they really are very easy to use. These are very high quality. I love these. Let's take a look at these. We have some earwire hooks, and there are 2 pairs there. And we also have a lobster clasp. So this kit has pretty much everything you need to make earrings, a necklace, or a bracelet. It also comes with beading wire, which I'll show you in just a second. Let's take a look at this gorgeous zebra pendant. Look at that. Isn't it cute? Oh my gosh. It is so cute. Let me show you how it's drilled. It's drilled down the middle, as you can see. So you would definitely have to hang it like this. It would make a great pendant, that's for sure. Perfect for a safari themed necklace. And I believe it's made out of ceramic. And these are TerraCast fan links. If you're familiar with TerraCast, you'll know that it's very high quality. These are called oxidized brass woven fan links. As you can see, each one has little holes along the bottom, and it has a loop at the top. So you could hang some little dangles from the bottom. They would make great earrings for sure. And these giraffes are super cute. Aren't they adorable? They're so adorable. These are drilled down the middle as well. I can totally see a pair of earrings using these cute giraffes. And these elephants are absolutely adorable as well. They're drilled down the middle as well, just like the zebra. And once again, you could use these for earrings or use one of them as a pendant. And the last item is this Softflex beading wire. As you can see, it's medium weight. It measures 0.019 of an inch or 0.48 millimeters. And there's a total of 10 feet in this spool or 3.05 meters. It's 49 strand and it's in a bone color. Isn't that a gorgeous color? That is so beautiful. So this makes this kit pretty complete. It doesn't have crimp tube covers or jump rings or craft wire, which I know some people like to use. So now I'd like to go ahead and arrange everything on my mat so you can see the entire collection. Well, here's the entire collection, the Safari collection, and I think it's really beautiful. Like I said, the color palette is very earthy, and even though it's Safari themed, these beads would actually make beautiful autumn themed jewelry. I love these adorable animal charms. I can see using the black beads with the zebra and these turbine beads with the elephants. The colors match perfectly. And of course, I love the Jesse James Beads Design Elements bead mix with such a huge variety and so much to choose from. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unbagging. I sure had a good time looking at these gorgeous safari themed beads. So anyway guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you again. I'm hoping the next video will be a tutorial. I will be going to the beach, so it may be a little delayed, I don't know. But anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.